Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make new Hotmail account in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, Outlook. You can easily go and look up Outlook, and you should be able to click on the very first option, okay? This will lead you back here, okay? Then over here, we have the option to sign in or create account. Click on create account, then proceed to make a new Microsoft email. All right. Then select your desired email address and create a strong password, a mix of letters, numbers, symbols, and then click next. Fill in your name, region, birthday as requested. This will help with personalization and account recovery. There's going to be sometimes a CAPTCHA. Just make sure to complete that and any code verification, phone or alternate email, which is very important for security purposes. Then you'll be taken to your new inbox. Or you can easily use your Gmail account if you're in a hurry. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Hotmail account. I hope you found this video very helpful.